To reset your Boost Mobile voicemail PIN, dial 86 from your Boost Mobile phone to access the voicemail system directly. Follow the voice prompts to enter your current PIN. If you know it, the default is often 0000 or the last four digits of your phone number. Then, select the option to change the PIN, usually by pressing a specific number indicated by the audio prompts. Enter your new 410-digit PIN twice to confirm. If you've forgotten your PIN entirely, you'll need to contact Boost Mobile customer service at 1-888-266-7848. Be prepared to provide account details like your phone number and the last four digits of your SSN for verification. A representative can then reset your PIN remotely following security protocols. An alternative to calling is using the Boost mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Log into your account. Navigate to the voicemail settings. You should find an option to reset your PIN securely through the app's interface, potentially with biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. For security, always choose a unique PIN that isn't easily guessable. Avoid reusing recent PINs. Change it periodically. Every 6 months is a good practice. Boost Mobile enforces rules to prevent brute force attacks, so after repeated failed attempts, the system will likely block further attempts. Remember, strong authentication protocols, like two-factor verification, are increasingly common for PIN resets via the app or website, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access.